Mental health readiness is a matter of national defense. The minds of our troops have become the battlefield, and we're losing ground. Let's do something about it.
Chimney Trail Health's Waypoint curriculum is a category-defining solution to a strategic problem. This is not another check in the box or some computer-based training module. This is the cognitive behavioral training your team needs to fight back against an enemy who's already inside the wire. The 6-month curriculum includes a kickoff seminar followed by 4 serialized Waypoint kits. Within each kit is a Waypoint book, which guides participants through progressive skill development, as well as a hands-on activity designed by PhDs to reinforce bibliotherapeutic learning objectives. Here's an overview of the activities. Get started with Waypoint 1. Before you step into new terrain, you need a lay of the land. The guidebook is an opportunity to observe your thought processes and map your own unique and perhaps problematic default thought patterns. Orient with Waypoint 2. You can't know where you are until you know where you've been. Map your mental terrain with a time capsule exercise, which emphasizes the catch function of cognitive behavioral training. Check and decide with Waypoint 3. The path to mental toughness isn't abstract. It's forged, day by day, through discipline and decision. The positive habits introduced in this exercise will help you think critically about your mental models and decide how to move forward. Take action and change in Waypoint 4. Growth doesn't happen overnight. Like tending to a fire, it requires patience and ongoing attention. Through an exercise that promotes community and discussion, a campfire conversation enables you to reflect and transform unhelpful thoughts and perspectives. What are the benefits of cognitive behavioral training? The mental readiness of our armed forces is critical to lethality. We cannot expect our forces to shoot, move, and communicate on the battlefield when their OODA loops are impeded by anxiety, depression, and suicidal ideation. By reducing the effects of these barricades, our waypoints will add clarity and speed to your team. Secondarily, our waypoints hone sharper instincts. The holy grail of performance psychology is flow. Flow is a scientifically proven state of mind where self-doubt is silenced so instinct can take over. Our curriculum increases self-awareness and trust, which will help your team achieve flow states faster and more reliably. On the topic of performance, let's address mental health readiness. Cognitive behavioral training will move your organization's burnout needle in the right direction, reducing incidents of suicide, limb do, and separations for the convenience of the service. Chimney Trail Health's Waypoint Kits are more than just one-and-done training evolutions. Not only do these kits contain premium products that you will actually want to keep, but they are the reps and sets you need to prepare for the cognitive battlefield.
When the stakes are this high, mental readiness is non-negotiable. I'll see you on the trail.
For more information, check out chimneytrail.com.